This scared me.
Southeastern Union County, Ohio, until 9:15 p.m.
They waited that long.
Radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the Warren area. Between 2 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that may experience flash flooding include Dublin, Marysville, Plain City, New California, Unionville Center, U.S. Route 33, and U.S. Route 42 in Chugri. Additional rainfall amounts of 0.5 to 1.5 inches are possible in the Warren area. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads.
He's turned off.
Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. To report flash flooding, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely. You are listening to NOAA Weather. All hazards rated.
Just to make sure it doesn't shut off right away.